everybody, I'm Jia Cheng and welcome to the second part of our 3080 Ti coverage. Today we'll be doing a comparison of the two AIB designs of the newly released RTX 3080 Ti. As featured in yesterday's video, we have the ROG Strix 3080 Ti from ASUS, and now we also have the SUPRIM X from MSI. Let's take a look at the 3080 Ti SUPRIM X. The packaging features the same great presentation of the existing SUPRIM series cards. It's nice and refreshing to get an unboxing experience different from the usual double boxes. Inside, we see an info packet, a decently sized mouse pad, and a GPU anti-sag support bracket that stands on the bottom of your case. The card itself also features the same big heatsink and grey metal shroud that we have seen in previous SUPRIM cards, with some tasteful triangular styling on the front. There's also a nice metal backplate with some thermal pads underneath to cool the VRAM too. Comparing the 3080 Ti Strix and 3080 Ti SUPRIM X, both cards are the best in their respective lineups, featuring 3 slot thickness, 3 fans, and 3 PCIe power connectors. While the SUPRIM X features the standard 3000 series display connectors of 3 display ports and 1 HDMI, the Strix has a second HDMI port. Both cards have metal backplates with thermal pads underneath to complement the huge heatsinks. While the Strix card only has RGB on the top of the card, the SUPRIM X also has RGB on the front, the top, and the back. Now that we have a quick physical overview, let's take a look at performance. Power-wise, the 3080 Ti SUPRIM X comes with a 400W power limit out of the box, the same as the Strix. However, we did measure a slightly higher total system power consumption with the SUPRIM X. We'll quickly flip through the performance graphs here, so do pause the video if you need to take a more detailed look. In Horizon Zero Dawn, the SUPRIM X is 1 FPS ahead of the Strix, which means it is also 1 FPS behind the 3090. At 1440p, the Strix 3080 Ti matches the 3090, while the SUPRIM X is also 1 FPS behind. Next, in Rainbow Six Siege, the SUPRIM X once again is slightly ahead of the Strix. Measurable, but still not a meaningful difference when the FPS numbers are this high. Last but not least, we have Blender Benchmark. In this benchmark, the 3080 Ti Strix, SUPRIM X, as well as the 3090 all perform the same. To quickly conclude, both the Strix 3080 Ti and SUPRIM X are top-tier cards in the 3080 Ti lineup. With the higher power limits on these, you can easily overclock them to match the 3090's gaming performance and even surpass it slightly. Pricing-wise, you can expect them to be in the top end of the 3080 Ti's lineup, but this is still significantly lower than the 3090's. So that's all from us here at Dreamcore Tech today. Let us know what you think of these cards in the comments below and if you'll be buying one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.